What's up guys, welcome to TensorTech YouTube channel. So finally I have the global variant of Redmi Note 8 which is arrived in UAE, and today I'm going to unbox it for you guys. So if you haven't know, I have already unboxed the Redmi Note 8 Pro variant. You can check that video as well, its link is in the description box. So moving towards the Redmi Note 8, well, the box is whole wide shape and the variant which I am holding right now has a 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. So before unboxing, I have a request for you guys. Please subscribe my channel, also share my latest videos so I can keep bringing the latest videos of mobile phones for you guys, and it will be a nice help from you. So let's move on towards the box and unwrap the cover and remove the plastic from the box of Redmi Note 8. After removing the plastic from the box, let's open it up. And after opening the cover and after removing the cover, the first thing we see is the white color box, and looking at the history of Xiaomi, well, we know what would possibly be present inside. Anyhow, after opening the box, we will first see the SIM ejector tool. Let's bring out the SIM ejector tool and put aside it for a moment, as it will be used later to open the SIM tray. Further inside the box, we have some paperwork, which is a startup guide which no one reads. We have a TPU silicone cover which is present inside the box, and it is covered with the plastic. After unwrapping from the plastic, the TPU cover is of a decent quality. Its color is transparent, and it has a nice cutout for camera as well as for the fingerprint scanner. Next in the box, we will see the device wrapped in cover. Taking out it from the box and removing the plastic, we see a beautiful Neptune color. This color looks stunning on the back and sides a little bit on the thicker side, while on the front we have some specification mentioned on front cover. Next thing we have in the box is the Type-C cable, which is impressive from Xiaomi, as we have already seen similar cable inside the Redmi Note 8 Pro variant. Last thing which come inside the box is its fast charger. Just like the Pro variant, we have a same 18 watt of fast charger inside the Redmi Note 8 box, which is awesome from Xiaomi, as they are providing 18 watt of fast charging inside their lower variant. Moving toward the device, on the front we have a cover which we have some main specification written on the top. We have a power button and a volume rocker placed elegantly on the right side of the device, while we see IR blaster and noise cancellation mic on top. On right side we have a SIM slot. On bottom on the phone we have a 3.5mm headphone jack, 2 mic, Type-C charging port and a speaker grill. Let's remove the front cover from the screen, and the screen comes with a 6.3-inch IPS LCD dot drop notch with a 13-megapixel camera and a Gorilla Glass 5 support both on the front as well as on the back side. Let's power up the device, and while it is powering up, we move towards the back side. We have a quad camera setup on the back side, and its positioning is different from the Note 8 Pro variant. We have a 48 megapixel of primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel micro lens and a 2 megapixel depth sensor camera. Apart from cameras, we have LED flash as well as a physical fingerprint scanner on the back side. While the device is setting up, let's see what are the other things which are coming inside the Redmi Note 8. Inside we have a Snapdragon 665 processor. The variant which I am unboxing right now has 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage. To power this device up, we have a 4000 mAh of battery inside. Let's look at how much SIM it supports. Opening up the SIM tray slot, well, we have a dual SIM and an SD card slot inside the Redmi Note 8. These are the dedicated SIM slots as well as a dedicated micro SD slot. Android 9 Pie with MIUI 10 is the software which is running inside Redmi Note 8. Just like Pro variant, Redmi Note 8 has a support for both fingerprint scanner as well as the face unlock. Testing out the fingerprint scanner, it shows it's really fast thanks to its physical placement on the back side. Physical placement lets the screen unlock impressively fast. Checking the face unlock, it is equally fast and responsive like the fingerprint scanner. Its fast scanner unlock the device in speed. Camera app supports same all the feature which you want, like portrait mode, night mode, slow-mo, etc. Some camera images has been made so you can check the result by yourself. These are showing right now. Finally, after looking all the specification and design, we talk about the price. Well, you can get this device in 680 dirhams here in UAE, and if you want to buy this device, you can contact Awais Trading, and if you need my help, I am always ready to help you guys. Overall, if we look at the specs and the price, I feel, and it's my opinion, that this device has some of the specs which we see in most of upper mid and flagship devices. So personally, I like this device. If you like this video, consider subscribing my channel and also share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.